everyone, this is Rishima Jaju. Welcome to my channel. I hope you're doing fine. Today I've come with yet another interesting recipe. Yes, it's chocolate laddus. They're healthy snacks. You can have it anywhere, anytime, and I bet you love it. It's really chocolatey, it's really nutty, it's really healthy. The best part is it's packed with nutrition and good stuff. Now, without wasting time, let's take a look at the ingredients. We have 1 cup of cocoa powder, about 2 cups of sugar, half a cup of almonds, half a cup of pistachios, half a cup of cashew nuts, half a cup of walnuts, and some grated almonds, pistachios and cashew nuts for garnishing. So let's start with the procedure. I'm going to switch on the flame. Right. We're going to roast the dry fruits separately. And we're going to do it on a medium flame, because if we roast it on a high flame, they will get burnt. And if we roast it on a low flame, it's just going to take too much of time. So medium is the best option. We need to roast it till we see some black spots on these almonds. This smells good. And now, as you can see the black spots, this is a sign that we have to put the next ingredient. So now we are going to put them in a plate so that it cools down. That was good. So all the nuts and the cocoa powder and the sugar are in the food processor. Now I'm using a food processor because the blades in here bring out the oils, and you have to switch it on and off initially. But if you don't have one, you can use a mixer with a large jar. In the case of a mixer, you will have to switch it on and off for the whole time, because so that it brings out the oil, otherwise it will just form a powder. Now as you can see, it's coming together now. You have to keep blending it until it forms a dough. So now this is the consistency we want. Because you really should, and please keep following my YouTube channel for more such fun and interesting videos. I'll be back with a new and fun recipe just for you. Till then, bye bye and enjoy yourself.